Legacy, coming to you from for a video on the jackfruit on the half. I mentioned in one of the other videos that I opened and had half left, so I'm going to try to open it or pull them out with the oil. I cut it open with my roommate, and it was very sticky on the inside, so I'll just show you the inside. That is what the inside looks like. Now this centerpiece here has like a sap that still smells good. It has a sap is like really sticky, like a glue, and you're not supposed to get that on your fingers. If you do, it's really hard to get off. And so we looked it up online, and it says put oil on your hands. So I'm gonna attempt to do that. And so I have some coconut oil here. Some people do it for oil pulling, put it on their teeth, swish around and spit it out. Some people eat it. Oil is not good for your insides. And I believe Dr. McDougall has some stuff on oil, why you shouldn't eat oil, and there's some other resources online. You can check it out, or Google and YouTube, or Google, YouTube, whatever, online about why not to eat the oil. I mean, it's nothing but, fat. It's just oil, you know. Yeah, it's just, saturated fat. It has really no nutrients in it, just saturated fat, so you don't need that. You can get good fats from avocado, nuts, and seeds, but I have it because I use it on my skin sometimes. Yeah, it makes skin soft, so yeah, so here we go. Let's try it out. Let's see. Let me grab a knife. Okay, kind of have a favorite knife. It's this little one here. So now you need oil on the hands, because it says to put the oil on your hands. There's oil on really good. As we say, it's a lot of work to get a piece of fruit, right? The fruit is actually pretty good. It tastes like bubble gum. Okay, so straighten out that there. And let's see if I can cut around that centerpiece there. Probably a better way to open these, but anyways. So yeah, they have like these little pod things, and then they have little seed inside there, and then you eat this whole thing. Since I have oil in my hands, I'm gonna wash these, so I'm just gonna put them in a bowl in there. 우리가 사귀는 것도 아닌데 내 맘을 네가 받아준 건 아닌데 너무 좋은 걸 가슴이 뛰는 걸 너를 바라보기만 해도 난 바보처럼 자꾸만 뭐가 그리 좋은지 몰라 뭐가 그리 좋은지 몰라 널 떠올리면 이유도 없이 뭐가 그리도 좋은지
늦잠을 자서 지각을 해도 자꾸 만나기 싫은 사람을 봐도 너무 좋은 걸 웃음이 나는 걸 너를 떠올리기만 해도 난 희죽희죽 자꾸만 뭐가 그리 좋은지 몰라 뭐가 그리 좋은지 몰라 널 떠올리면 이유도 없이 뭐가 그리도 좋은지 내게 무슨 마법을 건 거야 이상한 일이야 말이 멈추질 않아 네가 자주 가는 그 길로 가는지 뭐가 그리 좋은지 몰라 뭐가 그리 좋은지 몰라 널 떠올리면 이유도 없이 뭐가 그리도 좋은지 뭐가 그리 좋은지 몰라 뭐가 그리 좋은지 몰라 널 떠올리면 이유도 없이 뭐가 그리도 좋은지 그냥 네 모습이 나
Hey guys, here it is, the jackfruit. It was very good. It tastes like bubblegum. Jackfruit is very good. It's got some good vitamin. Just look it up on YouTube. On YouTube. Look it up. Google it. Jackfruit and the nutrition facts on jackfruit. It's got some good nutrition. I'm not gonna eat this whole bowl. I'm gonna freeze it. Actually, I'm gonna put it in zip bags and freeze it and use it in smoothies. It's good like this too, but it's not very good in smoothie with some banana. I'm really not doing cook these last couple weeks. I had potato the other night though. Finish up what potatoes I had. I'm gonna finish up my fruits for the next until the first anyways. Let's see take a look what's in my fridge. Let me see. Cantaloupe. Wait, where's my finger? Cantaloupe. Spinach. That was oatmeal. That. Tomatoes. Cucumber. I got these for juicing. Let's see what else is over there. I got carrots. Ooh, can you see? Carrots, grapes, watermelon. This, pull this out so you see. Just got this from the garden today. I got some green beans there, some pepper, and spinach and basil. I mean, not spinach. We call it mint and basil. I'm gonna put in some lemon juice. And so yeah, and then got some cut watermelon down there, and then oops, down there is some lemon, lime, apples, oranges. Excuse me. And so yeah, and then here, this stuff I'm not gonna be using when I have my thing, but I just kept the salad dressing and stuff in case the kiddos want to have it on theirs. I'm not making them do potato challenge, but I'm gonna do it. So yeah, this is junk. Well, what is this? Not junk, but these are nuts and stuff, which I don't eat a whole lot of nuts. Hemp seed, some carrots, and a fizzy drink that has just been in there that I haven't really drank. So yeah, but I'm gonna finish up those, and then August 1st, potato challenge. So if you guys want to do the potato challenge with me, let me know. Let me know in the comments below that you want to join. August 1st, 30 days, all potatoes, no condiments or anything, just potatoes. Boiled, baked, you know, cut up, microwave, I do simple. But, yeah, let me know. 30 days in August. Just potato. Ooh. That'll be good. Anyways, I love you guys to life. Bless you and bye.
Love you to life.
Reminds me of
Bye.
bye.